Hands that carried her through pain, hands that wiped her own tears, hands that always held on even when she was tired. Only then did she realize these are the hands that will rebuild me. So she started small. She forgave herself for not healing sooner. She finally let go of the idea that someone else would save her. She trusted God to strengthen her step by step, day by day. She picked up her pieces with courage, with grace, with prayer. She discovered healing was not about being perfect. It was about choosing herself again and again. By the time she finished rebuilding, she didn't look like the woman who wanted to be saved. She looked like the woman God had been shaping all along. And hope finally understood. You don't heal when someone fixes you. You heal when you decide you are worth fixing. So she walked forward, whole, confident, restored, not because someone put her together, but because she learned that her healing was her responsibility, her power, and her victory. Yes.